In this video, I will show you how hackers can create a phishing site in just less than 4 minutes using a powerful hacking tool for ethical hacking and educational purpose only. Let's begin. First, we'll install the Zphisher tool with automated phishing site creation. I will provide the link in the description. Now, let's run Zphisher and see the available phishing templates. You will see a menu with templates: Facebook, Instagram, PayPal, Amazon, etc. Next, we'll select the phishing target. I will choose PayPal for this demo. Zphisher now asks how we want to host the fake site. We'll use Cloudflared, not port forwarding or ng need. Cloudflared is simple, fast, and works behind NAT. Just press enter to continue. Do you want to change mask URL? Just press enter to continue. Now we have a phishing link already. Open it in your browser to test it. Never send this to someone without permission. It is illegal to phishing real people. Now I will try to enter a fake email and password for testing purpose. When the victim enters their credentials on this fake page, we get them instantly in our terminal. Account try to hack me at gmail.com. Password try to hack me. This is why phishing is dangerous. It looks like real, but it is fake. Now let's talk about how to protect yourself. Never enter login info into unknown links. Always check the URL carefully. Use two-factor authentication. Use password manager with phishing protection. That is how hackers can create a phishing site in under 4 minutes using Zphisher. If this video helped you learn something, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.